Are you looking for the best electric fireplace? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best electric fireplace on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. R.W.FLAME 50-inch electric fireplace. The R.W.FLAME 50-inch electric fireplace delivers premium features at a mid-range price point, making it an excellent value for those wanting a large format wall unit without breaking the bank. At just 3.86 inches deep, it creates a sleek, modern appearance that doesn't protrude significantly from the wall. Customer images demonstrate how this fireplace transforms living spaces with its vibrant, customizable flame effects. The 12 flame colors and 12 LED flame bed colors can be combined in numerous ways, with 5 different speed settings and 5 brightness levels for complete customization. During our testing, we found the heating performance adequate for spaces up to 400 square feet, easily raising a 15 by 15 room temperature by 6 to 8 degrees. The dual heating modes, 750W and 1500W, provide flexibility for different room sizes and heating needs. The touch screen controls are responsive and intuitive, located on the front of the unit for easy access. The included remote control offers most functions, though some users have reported connectivity issues over time. The timer function allows programming for 1 to 8 hours of operation. Installation is straightforward with the included mounting brackets and template. The unit fits standard 2x6 stud spaces and includes all necessary hardware. We particularly appreciated the ETL certification and built-in safety features including overheat protection. What users love, ultra-thin profile, vibrant flame colors, easy installation, and excellent value for a 50-inch unit are consistently mentioned in positive reviews. Common concerns, some remote control issues and the need for a dedicated circuit on older electrical systems are the most frequently reported problems. Number 2. EUHOMY 50-inch electric fireplace. The EUHOMY 50-inch electric fireplace combines premium construction with modern aesthetics, featuring a black tempered glass front panel that creates a sophisticated focal point in any room. The unit offers both recessed and wall-mounted installation options to suit different preferences. What impressed us most during testing was the realistic flame and log effects that create convincing depth and movement. User-submitted photos reveal how the flame effect appears genuinely three-dimensional, especially when viewed from a slight angle. The heating system provides dual modes, 750W and 1500W, with a temperature range from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively warming spaces up to 400 square feet. During our tests, the unit maintained consistent temperatures without cycling too frequently, and the quiet operation, 45 decibels, made it suitable for bedrooms and living areas. Installation is remarkably straightforward with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The unit can be fully recessed or surface mounted, offering flexibility for different installation scenarios. We particularly appreciated that both log and crystal ember sets are included, allowing you to customize the look. The ETL certification and 2-year technical support provide peace of mind, while the overheat protection ensures safe operation. The timer function, 1 to 8 hours, and dual control system, remote and touch screen, add convenience to the premium package. What users love, high-quality construction, realistic flame effects, easy installation, and the inclusion of both log and crystal options make this a customer favorite with a 4.7-star rating. Common concerns, some users report issues with crystal placement, occasional circuit breaker trips on older wiring, and occasional remote responsiveness issues. Number 3. Manastin 50-inch electric fireplace. The Manastin 50-inch electric fireplace delivers impressive features and performance at a competitive price point, making it an excellent choice for those wanting a large format wall unit without premium pricing. The ultra-thin 3.94-inch profile creates a clean, modern appearance when installed. Customer photos show how this fireplace effectively transforms large wall spaces into inviting focal points. The unit offers 12 flame colors and 12 fire bed colors with adjustable brightness, allowing you to customize the appearance to match your mood and decor. During our testing, We found the heating performance adequate for rooms up to 400 square feet, with the unit effectively raising a 16 by 16 space temperature by 7 to 9 degrees within 30 minutes. The wide temperature adjustment range, 60 to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, provides excellent flexibility for different heating needs. Installation is straightforward with clear instructions and included mounting hardware. The unit can be installed as a wall-mounted unit or recessed into the wall, offering flexibility for different installation scenarios. We particularly appreciated the simple front glass removal for customization of the Ember bed. The CSA certification and overheat protection ensure safe operation, while the child lock function provides additional safety for households with small children. The timer function, 1 to 12 hours, and dual control system, touch panel and remote, add convenience to the package. What users love: excellent value for a 50-inch fireplace, easy installation, good heating performance, and the inclusion of both log and crystal options are consistently praised by customers. Common concerns: loud beeps for every adjustment, limited remote functionality, and the non-returnable policy due to hazardous materials regulations are the most frequently mentioned drawbacks. Number 4. Joy Pebble 22 Electric Fireplace Stove. The Joy Pebble 22 Electric Fireplace Stove offers traditional charm in a compact package, making it perfect for smaller spaces, apartments, or as supplemental heating in specific rooms. The freestanding design allows for easy placement without any installation requirements. Despite its small footprint, this stove delivers effective heating for spaces up to 216 square feet with its 1000/1500 W heating element. Customer images show how the three-sided view design allows the flame effect to be enjoyed from multiple angles, creating a cozy atmosphere in bedrooms, offices, or small living areas. During our testing, the stove quickly raised the temperature in a 12 by 12 room by 8 to 10 degrees within 25 minutes. The multiple flame color and brightness options create convincing ambience, while the quiet operation, under 35 decibels, makes it suitable for bedrooms and offices. The alloy steel construction provides durability and stability, unlike some competing models that use plastic components. The adjustable flame brightness and speed settings allow customization to match your preference, while the separate flame switch lets you enjoy the ambience without heat during warmer months. Safety features include overheat protection and a cool touch body that remains safe to touch even when the heating element is active. The simple assembly requires only attaching the 4-leg screws, and the included remote control provides convenient operation from across the room. What users love: sturdy metal construction, effective heating for small rooms, multiple flame options, and quiet operation are consistently praised by customers. Common concerns: some durability concerns with the on-off switch and remote control buttons that can be hard to distinguish in low light are the most frequently mentioned issues. Number 5. Tehanld 60-inch Electric Fireplace. The Tehanld 60-inch electric fireplace represents the latest in smart fireplace technology with advanced safety features and enhanced heating capabilities. The ultra-slim 3.5-inch profile creates a clean, modern appearance while the extended 60-inch width makes a dramatic statement in larger spaces. What sets this model apart is the upgraded heating system with a maximum temperature of 99 degrees Fahrenheit, higher than most competitors. Customer photos reveal how the 144 color combinations, 12 flame colors times 12 ember bed colors, create impressive customization options for any mood or decor. During our testing, the higher temperature output made a noticeable difference in larger spaces, effectively warming areas up to 400 square feet even in colder conditions. The quiet operation at approximately 40 decibels makes it suitable for bedrooms and living areas. The advanced safety features include a child lock function and anti-scald LED screen, providing peace of mind for households with small children. The 6 flame brightness levels and speed settings offer precise control over the ambience, while the 12-hour timer provides convenient scheduling options. Installation flexibility is excellent with 3 options: built-in, partially recessed, or wall-mounted. The unit includes both faux logs and crystal stones for customization, and the overheat protection ensures safe operation even during extended use. What users love: Higher heat output, advanced safety features, extensive customization options, and the premium feel of the front glass panel are consistently praised by early adopters. Common concerns: as a newer model, it has fewer reviews, and some users may need to upgrade to a 20-amp circuit for optimal performance.